Good morning, traders. It's Peter Thompson, Senior Mentor of 1 Billion Signals, sponsored by Merit Forex. It's Monday, beginning of the week, guys. For those who missed last week events, we've always been expecting information about the monetary supply cut, but it was postponed for later. Obviously, we got Federal Reserve Powell speech on Friday, so it was a pretty volatile week. This summer is expected to be volatile. Usually this summer the volatility is getting down, but I don't think so for this one. The upcoming last week was all green for the US as unemployment rate went down to 5.8%. Initial jobless claims went green. ISM non-manufacturing PMI shows green figures. Crude oil also demand shows strength, which is pretty interesting, but we're gonna talk about it in about a minute. So this week we don't have many events, but the volatility definitely will be transferred from the previous one to this one. And let's take a look this week's calendar so we can check the charts in about a minute. Monday we start with this is a holiday in New Zealand and the GDP in Japan. Nothing major, nothing volatile. Tomorrow exactly the same. Job openings in US 2 p.m. GMT. Wednesday we have interest rate decision for Canada 2 p.m. GMT, important event and volatile for Canadian dollar. Crude oil inventories on Wednesday 2:30 p.m. GMT. Press conference, of course, after the interest rate in Bank of Canada. It's usually we have these press conferences after the interest rate. Thursday, we have deposit facility rate in the Eurozone 11.45 with interest rate decision. This is for the Eurozone again, 11.45. Initial jobless claims, important event for the US market, the labor market 12.30. Core CPI, monthly basis, very important event to see if the CPI is really temporary or it's gonna be like confirmed. It's not so temporary. 12:30 on Thursday most probably the event of the week, and Friday manufacturing production for GBP in UK 6 a.m. GMT. What do we have on the charts? We see Euro US dollar. We've seen, by the way, on Friday. Exactly, because of the tapering delay, because of the supply cut delay, we've seen how the S&P 500 and the American indices pushed up big time on Friday, and this is what actually caused the US dollar further drop on Friday. So for now, US dollar is still stepping back, still going down. Euro US dollar, and you see that on the major currency pairs as well. Euro US dollar is going up 60 pips on Friday, bounce back from the support 1.2150, and it seems it's heading to the new resistance 1.2191, 1.2243. Pretty possible the Euro US dollar is getting stronger for the last couple of weeks, and I think we definitely can see 1.2243. It's very important to see what's going to happen with the CPI this week. GBP US kind of similar, but as you can see, if you pay attention on the top and the price section for the last couple of days, you're going to see the GBP is trying to find direction, but there is no good correction to the downside to test 1.40. I'm gonna wait for that, and then I'm going to most probably take buy trades. Until then, we're gonna have more information about the inflation in US, so I think we're gonna have clear picture on the GBP very soon. Australian US tested the support level, immediate bounce back, as you can see from the support 0.7655. It's about 90 pips from the support, and it's pretty possible to see the test of the resistance 0.7822 and breakout. If we see breakout, not false breakout, of course, we definitely can see reaching the top. So until then, Australian is in a bullish trend, absolutely up. So it's good to hunt for buy opportunities. Quite similar with the New Zealand US, even though here the support 0.71 is a little bit below the bounce 0.7125. Yeah, some people are asking me, isn't that the support level? It is, guys. So we can just move this one into a new support level. So it's a kind of support zone, as you can see, between 0.7135 and 0.71, and from here the bounce is pretty logical, and the price can go up and test the resistance in the next one. Now bear in mind that, as you can see, the New Zealand USD is forming a kind of range, so it's pretty you should be pretty careful with the New Zealand, as we don't have direction, very clear direction on the New Zealand US, but it's totally bullish opportunity in my opinion. USD Canadian, many times we discussed that, many times I've been asked, should we take a short trade? I don't think so, guys. I just would wait for bigger correction to the upside, then I'm gonna take a short, because USD CAD could be very good opportunity, but not yet. So we have the event. I expected, to be honest, to see the correction last week to the upside, but the US dollar is still fighting its to keep its low price, and definitely we have to wait for the USD CAD until we get some potential opportunity. Crude oil broken the resistance $67.93 per barrel, and currently staying on $70. $70 is very important resistance and big round number for crude, so I'm going to put new resistance, and as you can see, if I zoom in a little bit, it's just tested the 70s and it's gonna go down right now. In my opinion, I think we're gonna see correction. Be careful with the short trades, because this is totally uptrend anyway in the end of the day, even though I think it's time for a very big correction on the crude, but to short crude could be dangerous for you guys, so keep yourself away from, of course, such a trades. So crude, let's see what's gonna happen, but for those who are going to short it, I personally will do so. 67.93 target, $64 per barrel is the other target, so we definitely have room to go down. USD Swiss, so pretty interesting currency pair, as you know, one of my favorites, and we got a decent correction on Friday, 60-70 pips and quick bounce. So right now it's staying exactly on the support level 0.8984 and 0.8922, so going to go down and even further 0.8822 for now. Again, I'm just gonna remind you quickly, we don't have any information about money supply cut, so it's pretty normal to see the US dollar declining even further. And the USD Japan, the other currency pair that's interesting, is right now you see decline of the US, strong drop, 109.37 is the current price of USD Japanese. Good correction definitely to the downside, and this could be very nice short trade. A little bit more about the crypto market, guys. Right now is crypto is trying to push up, trying to support the drop that happened couple of weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, I think 10 days anyway. But I don't think it's gonna maintain this levels, and I think a very big crash is going down. So it's a matter of time. Be careful with the crypto if you're trading crypto, because I think big correction is coming. So this is it for now, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Of course, if you have any questions, you know how to reach me. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel in order to get yourself updated all the time when there is a new video. And of course, share us and like us on the social medias. This is how you support our YouTube channel. If you like the video, of course, thumbs up. Thank you very much, and expect my new video on Wednesday. Bye bye.